Congratulations, Max. How was your experience doing the workshop?
To be honest po, yung workshop na to, it's honestly the best kasi I was in a previous workshop din po kasi dati and I was there for a whole year. But in this workshop, parang feeling ko yung buong experience ko in that previous workshop was put in just in one day. First time ko din umiyak eh.
Nakita ko nga, di ba? I was
Yeah,
one of the
opo.
witness. Pero, kamusta? Ano yung natutunan mo dito?
Natutunan ko po.
Na pwede mong i-apply soon if magkaroon ka na ng project.
Something I could apply in my future projects. Pwede din po yung crying. Yes, the crying. I could put that. And Direk is also guiding me about my acting, how to act properly. He's the best Direk I've ever seen.
How old are you now?
I'm 15 lang po.
15. So marami ka pang mga talagang tatahakin. You're doing well. At least medyo, di ba nakakasabay ka na rin sa mga pag-iyak, dun sa mga
Yes po.
laughter, and then, pero ikaw personally, ano yung gusto mong tahakin on your career? At your age ha, yung mga, alam mo, kung bibigyan ka ng ilang years on showbiz, ano yung gusto mong makilala ka? A good dramatic actor ba? Action star? Or komedyante? Parang ganyan.
To be honest, depende po talaga eh. Pero kung if ever, I could probably try being a drama actor kasi probably what direct I feel confident about doing drama shows now kasi I know how to effectively cry now in about probably effectively in 30 seconds lang. 30 seconds. Just someone just has to say in my ear that mga ganun lang.
Parang yung ginagawa sa'yo
Yeah,
kanina, no?
that's why, opo.
Ano sabi ng papa mo during the time na nakita ka niyang umiiyak at that,
Good job lang daw. Good job lang daw.
so do you think ito yung gusto mong tahakin to become a dramatic actor soon?
Definitely, probably po.
If given a chance to choose, siguro naman nanonood ka ng mga palabas sa TV. Sino yung mga gusto mo mga makapareha or makatrabaho na ma-challenge kapag ka nakasama mo sila doon sa isang acting project na to?
To be honest po, I was actually in my previous projects I was involved with the Meet Greet Buy movie, but so I managed to see Piolo Pascual there, and honestly I think I have a new idol or new reference, Pero
So nakakapanood ka ng eksena niyo?
Opo, I watched the whole movie. Well, technically not the whole movie naman, pero grabe. I like the scenes there. I like the acting. I like Piolo Pascual's acting. Everyone's acting there. To be
So
honest,
you'll be
but-
the next Piolo Pascual in the
Ay,
future.
grabe. I don't know about that.
Pero are you, kumbaga ngayon sa age mo kasi parang yung mga artista, sumisikat sila because of the love team. Ikaw ba,
Love team?
gusto mo bang magkaroon ng love team soon? Or gusto mo makilala as parang a solo actor na pwedeng ipareha kung kani-kanino? Parang ganyan.
Depende po ngayon eh. Parang feeling ko ngayon, parang maging awkward person po ako pag, if you paired me with a girl, mga ganun. Parang, kasi stranger din yun, to be honest, in my eyes. She'll be a stranger and she's someone that she's already experienced with. Pero I think my heart just can't take it. So I'll just be a solo actor for now, I guess. And, yeah.
Pero kung bibigyan ka ng chance, sino yung mga gusto mo makatrabaho na ka-age mo, yung mga napapanood mo sa TV ngayon? May makilala ka ba that you want to work with soon, ng mga sumisikat na mga young actresses
Mga
like
young
actor?
actresses about my age. I'm not really into
Familiar.
I'm not really familiar with the young actors. Only with the mga adult mature actresses like not the mga yung mga parang yung si Bel Mirano, yung mga ganun. Yung mga new actresses nowadays.
Oo, kasi sila yung mga kasama mo sa Meet, Greet, and Buy, di ba? Pero yun, you're still studying now, no?
I'm still studying pa po in La Salle Hermosa. As we speak.
Pero at least on the side, you're doing this. I think you have your YouTube channel,
Oh yes,
di ba?
I have a YouTube channel.
Ano yung mapapanood dun sa'yo if you wanna promote that YouTube channel?
Yung mga the content and the content inside those videos in my episode is that para siyang educational video as well. It's also something to binge watch. You know what a binge watching is? Para siyang Netflix like short film Netflix shows, but it has a plot twist to it that it's in the end there's a what do you call this? in the end that there's always a parang mutual understanding to the viewers itself that oh yeah, I should be grateful, oh yeah, definitely I should be.
Sino yung mga kasama mo doon? May mga guest ka din? Do you have...
I had guests po as well, which was Albert, which was here, and Sab as well.
Si Tan yata
Hindi.
Hindi
By
pa.
the way, shoutout po kay Albert and si Sab.
At sila yung mga
So,
nakakasama
yan po
mo
yung
doon.
yung mga guests ko po.
Ano pa yung aabangan sa mga upcoming doon sa YouTube channel mo? Ano yung mga abangan pa? You have content na naiisip that you wanna share to your viewers?
Grabe. Episode 4 pa, well, episode 3 pa po tayo, but we're working on episode 4 going up to 12 right now. So, I'm not gonna spoil na lang muna. And I'll just let you watch next week maybe.
Mm-mm.
And by the way, my YouTube channel is Max Life. So, just search that up and then maybe you'll find me.
So, makikita nila yung buhay mo doon.
Oh,
Sasama mo.
It's like a skit naman po.
And then, etong mga upcoming projects na abangan sa'yo, kumbaga, more on acting. Do you sing also? Dumasayaw ka rin ba?
Wala po akong talents. Wala pong ganyan po. I just as of now, I think right now, I just want to do acting muna for now. I just want to pursue acting a bit. Not in terms of the job itself. Maybe in the job itself, I would love to. I have the opportunity, I think I have the opportunity now to get a job. So, of course, I would just like to do that as well.
But are you willing to study more Tagalog?
Ay, more Tagalog.
Oo, para mas maraming mga project. Kasi di ba pagka daw mas magaling ka sa Tagalog, mas maraming acting projects yung
Yung
papasok
ko na
sa'yo.
lang, boss, parang galing sa United States. Pero yes, in all serious terms, maybe I will need to study Tagalog po. And I'm gonna need to study a little harder as well. That's it.
So congratulations, Max. And
Thank you po.
hope to see you in some projects. Na sana nagtatagalog ka na ng straight.
Sana.
Please invite them again to your YouTube channel, to your social media.
Alright, so by the way, guys, my name is Maximus Aaron. You can just search that up in Facebook, and my Instagram is just Maximus Aaron as well. And if you want to find my YouTube channel, you can just search up Max Life Ninong Manny, and then just type that in, and you'll see the episodes that I've worked on already. All right, guys.
Thank you. Congratulations.